Now listen to me. Somewhere 30 kilometers away from Kempapura, in Bangalore International Airport, two pilots are entering.
Now we are ready to take off.
Start मारो. जोर से करियो. ये take off आइयो. ये steady मारो. सर प्लेन steady आता है सर. ये steady आता है. प्लेन steady आता है. ये प्रेशर कमी मारो. गैस कमी मारो. पेट्रोल चेक मारो. केरोसिन चेक मारो. इनकी बातों में पूछो. वाटर पंप चेक मारो. पेट्रोल सिस्टम चेक मारो. एयर प्रेशर रिलीज मारो. ब्रेक हाको. इंडिकेटर हाको. अय्यो यो एटलीस्ट जिप्पर हाको. अय्यो बच्चा ये देखो प्लेन स्टेडी आता है. हाँ प्लेन स्टेडी आता है. बच्चे चालो. प्लेन स्टेडी आइयो. मजा ಏನಿತ್ತು ಮಗ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬರಾಗಿತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಿ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆಗೆ I took him and put him in the center. What were you doing in the toilet? Because of mountain cow milkshake. Mountain cow milkshake. Yes, mountain cow milkshake. एक बार पियोगे तो पीते रह जाओगे. No one teaches one another. Once in chemistry lab, one atom here, one atom here. They repel, and when they repel, it repels. Now look at the board. A boy comes late to the class. Up are you? Get out. Next day, boy enters again. He gets the idea and walks towards. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದ because of the kind of smoking in public places, three brothers, Pandu and Gandhi go to Green College also to smoke cigarettes. They take out cigarettes. Macha, later told Macha. Macha, later you super idea ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Take Andu and throw him in the water. Ayyo, I know him. Take Andu and throw him in the water. The boat will become late. Later, prove Papa idea. Listen to my idea. Take water from the lake and then sing the song. Ip barsa pani mein aag cigarette. Then ready a cigarette. Ayyo, there say yara. Now listen to my idea. He removes mountain cow milkshake. Brings it. His hair catches fire. Macha, something to cigarette light maalo. Mountain cow milkshake. दिमाग की पत्ती जला रही है. Presenting you Sun TV Rowdy. Our judge Nikhil Huttappa entertaining. Yo man. Ayyo, Nikhil Huttappa, Sakappa. Ayyo, talk about our show. Look at this one. Welcome to MTV Rowdy 2.5. Welcome to Sun TV Rowdy 2. Now let's get into the audition room. Our judges Gugu and Nikhil Huttappa take their seat. Contestant 1 enter. Who are you? Myself. Long and shotgun. Tell me your name and Murugan. Be yourself, you son of father. Beep. Okay. I'll be myself. Beep. Get out, beep. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Keep on. Now, third contestant walks in. He brings his mountain cow, brings it, and brings it. Before he could say anything, I just take it, just take it, you are the judge. How do you like that performance, guys? Well, next performance of the afternoon is by an American group of Team Hybrid. Good one,